Hello everyone. It's a lot later and I'm gonna just go through some packages I just got. It's just a few, it's nothing crazy, just a little bit. Got some Glow Recipe over here, which I'm really excited about. I love their watermelon line. There's the Dewdrops, which is fun. The Fine Mist, which is a good one. This one's one of my favorites. This is just a hydrating serum. And then this bad boy, I'm actually running low on. Love this. This is, oh. Dogs are going crazy. This is one of my favorites. I use it all the time. I'm very excited to have one of these back. It also just smells incredible. It smells like watermelon Sour Patch Kids. That's what it smells like. Can we please? I got a box of In Bloom vitamins, which, ooh, this is pretty. This is Daily Multivitamin Plus Greens. Herbal Dream Sleep Vitamin, if you have trouble sleeping. This one is an Energy Shift Balance Energy Mood Vitamin, which is very cool. These bottles are also like ceramic and gorgeous. I love the packaging in this. Excited to try those out. And then last but not least, I'm not entirely sure what this one is. Come on. Oh, I ordered some organizing cubes for the top of my closet. These are kind of like Tinker Toy looking things. Go in between the corners of each of these and it makes a square, like a cubicle. That's not exactly what I thought I purchased, but that's fine. There's a bunch of these. I can basically make something like this to go on the top of my closet that I can put all my bags in to separate them so they're not just like sitting on top of the shelf. That'll be fun. Maybe that's something I can do tonight. Okay guys, I put this little cubicle thing together. I'm wondering if it might be too tall. I might have to take the second row of cubbies out. However, I think it would look really great slash be very great to put it in my closet on the top shelf. Here is the situation that we're looking at. It's not great. It's not filthy. Like these things are all kind of like, here's a bunch of hats and scarves and stuff. Here's a couple bags. I just thought I could throw all of this stuff in like different cubbies. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking it might be well, I think I'm gonna try anyways. Oh, I really did not think that was going to fit, but it fits perfectly. Oh my god, this is amazing. I'm a little impressed with myself. This looks great. Guys, I'm gonna have this linked in the description box because very happy with it. A couple bags, maybe more hats, maybe pants or sweatpants. I don't know. I'm gonna play around with it. Okay guys, I've gone ahead and made a little bit of a mess, but this is looking great. I'm very excited. However, this is looking fantastic. I'm very excited with this. I am beginning to think that I should just make this a bag shelf and I should just put all these hats in a basket. I'm realizing that I do have a bit more bags than I thought I did. I have a lot of bags that I want to get rid of. I think I'm just gonna throw my hats in the basket because that makes way more sense to me. And I've always wanted my bags a little more organized so I didn't have to dig through them. So I think that might be what I'm gonna do right now. Okay guys, here is the grand reveal. I am very happy with how this turned out. I'm thinking I might even get a second one and get rid of the shoes that I have in the top left corner. Those boxes are great, but I'm thinking it might just look much more uniform, much more cleaner looking if I get another one of these cubby things. They're so light, I think I might do it. I'm a really big fan. Again, I'm gonna have them linked in the description box for you guys, but very happy with this. I think there's still so much work to be done. I need to go through my actual clothes as well as the dresser underneath here. I have yet to go through this dresser under here. What I would love is to have the top drawer be like all accessories. One of these be like just sweatpants, and then one of these be like just pajamas, and one of these be like, you know, maybe sweatpants. I don't know. But having a specific drawer for like jewelry and belts and, you know, tights and all those accessories that I don't really have like a specific spot for, I think will be really nice and also just so much more organized. I can't wait. That'll have to be another day. So I have no energy today. I don't know what's happening, guys. I feel like I am just running low on energy these last few vlogs, but it's fine. We'll do this another day. I'm gonna go cook dinner.